104.1. Today
I'm only true. Well, after a devastating...
Idiot. What a total moron in this motorcycle. So for those of you who are thinking, oh, isn't he allowed to do that? No. Lane filtering doesn't apply to single lane roads. They're not allowed to lane filter on single lane roads. 2, you're not allowed to lane filter against the curb anyway, if there are multiple lanes. And 3, he's a learner rider. Learners aren't allowed to lane filter anyway. So it's a triple no, he can't do that.
That's what happens when you lock horns with beautiful Buford.
Well, David, thanks for coming on, man. Thank you for having me.
it's always a pleasure to have you on, David.
And if you are going to party in Hollywood, Bootsy Bellows directly.
Amy.
Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. I live with my mum and dad in Branch, so I'm about halfway through a pregnancy, so I'm due to have a baby in March.
Can you imagine if you had a baby and then got a brand new one with
The right way, you fucking bozo.
Got a Bogan Queef Eugene. Was that 2-3? That rider there. It's another one. Look at this fucking wanker. Look at that guy in that Honda. What a dick. Just drives down the exit lane of the motorway. But you know what? Guy is definitely the kind of wanker that obviously wants to be on YouTube. Let's go say hello to this dickbag. So right up here, let's see, what do we got here? Got a Comfort, Fucktard, 23, Mongoloid, Dicktard. Dumb shit. It has bottomed out the Falcon.
No, I didn't. This is what happened. This is what I was told. So again, that's where
the fuck
shit
are you
just
doing?
gets blown out of proportion and what have you.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck was the point of that? What was the point of that? Okay. If that's how you want to do it, fine. I'll fucking unload the whole fucking tank. I have to fill this up on the way to work. Give her one thing, she's stubborn, she won't move. Let's see how much is actually in this tank. She's just sitting there with the wipers on. Everyone always says, how big are your tanks, Scott? You just don't seem to ever run out. Well, I'm not letting the finger go today. I think she might have had enough. Not giving up. I guess she's going to try and outlast the tank. She's backed way off now. No. Tank didn't give up, but the traffic stopped, so it's not going to negate the functionality of it. So I was going to keep going till the tank emptied, but well, at least we found out two things from this. One, there's a hell of a lot of room in that water tank, and two, I now have a very clean windscreen. Okay, there's two things either happened right here. Either the guy in that Commodore was also trying to jump the queue there and was going to try and dart down the outside, or he is an absolute champion that saw the RAV4 coming and was going to try and fly down and force their way in and change lanes to block them. So I guess we'll never know, but if you did that to block them, you are the absolute champ of the week. Well done.
So what can I say?